Hey, I have a ChatGPT writing tip for you today, and this one will help you make ChatGPT sound less like AI, less like ChatGPT. So what I used to do is I used to just ask ChatGPT, here is an example post that I wrote, and then ask, can you write a post about Google, about optimizing a landing page for conversions in the same tone? And then it would provide, it would output this. Very similar formatting. Struggling to turn your landing page visitors to customers, you're not the only one. I started the post with feeling defeated in the job search, you're not alone. Very similar. The challenge making a review, it took the structure that I had and it basically copied it. But what I wanted it to do is use the tone, not the structure. So what I do nowadays is, if I write with ChatGPT, which I do rarely because I think it's more work sometimes to ask it to do what I need to do than to write it myself, but it can be still helpful for idea generation. So basically what I say is, here's an example post that I wrote. Can you analyze the tone? And then I ask it, and it outputs what the tone is. And I find that if I ask ChatGPT to analyze the tone first, it provides a better output if I ask it to write something afterwards. So asking it to analyze the tone and write at the same time, I think it does a worse job compared to if you ask it to analyze first in one message in the first prompt, and then in the second prompt you ask it to write. So right now I would ask, can you write a post about optimizing landing page for conversions in the tone you described? And now let's see what it says. Yeah, keep it simple, silly. Headlines that hook, eye candy counts. Make it pop. Yeah, this is good. This is not that bad. Asking for less to be no. Keep form short and sweet. I like that. That's not that bad. Test, and test again. Got a landing page tip that works for you. Drop it below. Let's make conversion magic together. I think that's a bit over the top, but I think that worked better. It didn't copy the structure that I had. This one, it really just tried to emulate the tone of voice instead. So here's a tip for you. I hope it helps. Bye.